Today I am going to explain you thermal equilibrium. Two or more physical systems or bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium if there is no net flow of thermal energy between the system. So two or more physical systems or bodies are said to be the thermal equilibrium if it is an hot body and a cold object. If there is no net flow of thermal energy between the system there is no thermal energy, that is known as the thermal equilibrium. So heat energy always flows from one body to another body due to temperature difference between them. Because we are taking a water means room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. If you take ice, it will be in 0 degrees Celsius. Ice cubes 0 degrees Celsius. Thus, we can define thermal equilibrium is another way. If two bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium, then they will be at the same temperature. Because what happened? Always the heat will be exchanged from hot body to cold body. So cold body is having 0 and hot body is having 100 degrees Celsius. Till it will be attained the same temperature, the thermal energy will be exchanged, will be taken place, and the thermal equilibrium will be attained after some time. So the thermal equilibrium attainment, they will be in the same temperature. Ice cubes also in same temperature, and also water also same temperature. So there will be a transfer of heat energy from hot body to cold body until a thermal equilibrium is established between them. So when cold body is placed in contact with the hot body, some thermal energy is transferred from the hot body to the cold body only. As a result, there is some rise in temperature of the cold body and decrease in temperature of that also we know very well. Because it is in 100 degrees Celsius, because it is given to the ice cube means what happened? Automatically hot body will lose heat energy and the cold body will be gaining energy. So this process will be continue until these two bodies attain the same temperature. So hot body loss and the cold body gain energy will be taken place till that both will have the same temperature. And thermal energy, and what is meant by thermal energy? When a hot object is in contact with another cold object, a form of energy flows from the hot object to the cold object. Already I told you. This energy is known as the thermal energy. So the thermal energy is a form of energy which is transferred between any two bodies due to the difference in the, if it is a difference in temperature only, the transfer of heat energy will be taken place. So thermal energy is also known as the, we can tell heat energy or heat energy, thermal energy. So heat energy is the agent which produces the sensation of warmth and makes bodies hot. So the process in which heat energy flows from a body at a higher temperature to another object at the lower temperature known as heating. So these all are what is heating, what is thermal energy, and all it will come inside the book book question. Book back question also will get, and book question in between this you should read. What is absolute zero and all, you should know it. So this process of transmission of heat may be done into any ways like conduction, convection and or radiation. Heat is a scalar quantity. The SI unit of heat energy observed or evolved is a joule. J. Thank you students. Read it properly and please subscribe my channel.